Jurors return tomorrow for what could be the final day of deliberations in the Samantha Woll murder trial.
There's been a lot of interest in this case. The jury's been deadlocked for 4 days, unable to reach a verdict on some of the charges against the defendant, Michael Jackson Bolanos.
7 News Detroit's Darren Cunningham spoke to a former prosecutor turned criminal defense attorney for insight on what could happen if a verdict isn't reached.
Jurors had the day off from court in the Samantha Woll murder trial deliberations today. Tomorrow, if the judge finalizes the deadlock on the murder charge, what could that mean for the suspect's other charges and his freedom?
What the judge will do and certainly should do is inquire as to whether the jury has a verdict on any of the charges.
While Michael Jackson Bolanos is charged with felony murder and first-degree murder, it's important to remember he's also charged with home invasion and lying to police. Michael Bolanos, a former prosecutor and now a criminal defense attorney, says Bolanos could still receive a partial verdict, even if there's a mistrial for the murder charge.
In this case, I think the biggest problem is that the prosecution did not put the defendant inside the house. The body was found outside of the house. The defendant had a reason to be outside of the house. If a jury cannot come to a conclusion as to any one count, then the judge will declare a mistrial on that one count, and then it will be up to the prosecutor to decide whether the prosecution wants to retry the case.
With it being a murder case, Bolanos says there's no question the prosecution will want to retry the case.
So at some point, the attorneys are probably going to find out. They may not, but they probably will. In most cases, they find out what the split was by talking to the jurors afterwards, if the judge allows it. And if the split is, let's say it's 11-1 for not guilty of the murder, that might cause the prosecution to say, well, maybe we need to deal this case.
Meaning offering Bolanos a plea deal for a less severe charge or dismissing the case. As for the defendant's freedom if a verdict isn't reached on the charges,
what the judge could do, and I expect his defense attorneys to move for his immediate release on bond, in light of the evidence and in light of the failure to obtain a conviction. That could happen. The judge may decide to release the defendant pending the next trial, or the judge could just say, nope, we're going to try it again and you're going to stay in custody.
Jury deliberations resume first thing in the morning. Reporting outside the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice in Detroit, Darren Cunningham, 7 News Detroit.
Thank you, Darren.